for checking out my channel and thank you for clicking this video. Hi guys, no? So we're done now on the second part ng ating beginners category, no? Which is the basic formula in Excel. So now, we're going to do the third part na tayo, no? Which is the basic math formula. Okay, yun yung addition, subtraction, multiplication, and then division, guys, no? So, gagamitin natin yung mga formula na yun, pero using Microsoft Excel. Okay, so, kung gusto nyo malaman, guys, no? So, let's go! Our topic for today is about basic math formula. Okay? As you can see here, guys, no? Yung addition, subtraction, and divisions, the same symbol ang ginagamit natin, no? Sa Excel. Except lang sa multiplication, guys, no? Kasi makapansin nyo, asterisk ang ginagamit natin. Kasi, diba sa regular X, okay? So, dito sa Microsoft Excel is asterisk ang ginagamit natin. Okay? So, dito sa kaliwa naman, guys, na mapapansin tayong sales report data. Okay? So, meron tayong agent, okay, per page, and then cost per page, and then total upload, and then cost per upload, and then the total and the grand total. Okay, so may sa baba, guys, mapapansin kayong parang number sign. Okay, so before, guys, natatakot na ako kung nakakita ko ng ganyan, no? Akala ko mali yung information or nag-error ako. So ibig sabihin lang yan, guys, no, hindi kasya yung information dun sa size ng ating cell. So what you can do, guys, here is just highlight your J, okay, and then double click this, okay. Then double click, okay, double click this one, okay, that's it. So automatically si Excel ay nag-a-adjust ng ating size. Okay, so let's get started na, guys, no? So we are required to get the total per page and total per upload and then the grand total. Okay, so here, guys, so we need to put the equal sign, okay, to denote the formula. Okay, so magkikreate tayo ng formula, no? Kasi pag wala kayong nilagay, guys, dyan na equal sign, so parang general number lang, so walang mangyayari. Okay, so click yung per page, okay? This per page is called BB7. So, okay? Kasi diba before sabi natin, each cell have their own name. Okay? So, it's B7. Okay? So, click the symbol of the multiplication, which is the asterisk. Okay? And then click the cost, which is the E7. And then hit enter. So, we now have the cost per page is 40. Okay? So, you don't need, guys, here to input na yung formula mo ulit, no? So, paano kung 100 yan, guys? So 100 times kayo mag-i-input ng multiplication, no? So ayaw ni Excel ang ganun. So what you can do, guys, is you can just copy, okay? So Control C and then highlight nyo lang, guys, no? So Control V for paste. Okay, so that's it. And now we're going to compute the upload per cost. So equal sign, okay? So the G7, okay, and then times, okay, the asterisk sign, and then the cost, okay. Again, Control C, and then highlight the cell and Control V. So that's it. It's just easy as easy, guys, no? So now, guys, we're now going to compute the grand total per cost and per upload, okay. So sorry, per page pala, no? So equal sign, and then the F7, and then plus sign, okay, and then the I7, and then click enter. Okay, that's it. You have now the grand total. Okay, so copy again, highlight the cell, and then Control V for paste. Okay, so we now going to get the total, the total of the agent. Okay, so just equal sign. Okay, so here, guys, since we are adding multiple cell, okay, so instead of input natin lagi yung plus sign, we can use the sum. So ibig sabihin, kapag sum, guys, no, meaning we're adding the range of data. Okay, so click the 48 and then up to the 36. Okay, so close parenthesis. and then hit enter. Okay. So yan yung guys, sa formula ng ating sum pag mag-a-add tayo ng multiple range. Okay. Now we have the total of the agent 1 to 5. Okay, so it's 216. Okay, here now guys, as you can see, we have 440 budget. Okay, and then, sorry, may laman. So we need to get the percentage budget used. So paano natin makukuha yan guys, no? Okay, para makuha natin, just put equal sign and then click the total budget used and then over the total budget. Okay, so now, okay, nakuha na natin na 49%, no? Ang ating nagamit. So, if I want this to be percentage, you can go here sa home and then click the percentage sign, okay, para makuha mo yung percentage. So, you can see that we have used budget, okay? The used budget is 49%. And now, we're going to get how much the budget left. Okay? So, just equal sign and then click the total budget less the total budget used. Okay? So, as you can see guys, we have 224 budget left in our report. So, that's all guys, no? Okay? So, if you want guys naman this number have peso sign, okay? Go balik kayo sa home and then may makikita kayong parang currency dyan, no? So, click arrow down and choose the peso sign. Okay? And that's it. You have now the peso sign of your report. Okay, we have now the Philippine currency guys. So, gusto ko din din natin ito ng ating peso sign to denote money. Okay, so that's it guys. So, sa ating basic math formula. Okay, so we already performed the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division formula using Microsoft Excel. So I hope guys you learn a lot in this video, and I hope it might help you guys. And if you like this video guys, just click thumbs up, and if you want to get notified sa mga new videos natin about Excel tutorial, just hit the bell button down there. Okay, thank you guys, bye. So guys, if you want to get notified if I have uploaded new videos, just click the bell button below and then hit thumbs up.